Okay, problem number one is basically just solving for the variable, solving for m. Don't forget to do the left side separately from the right side. So just for that, let me just do the right side in red instead of in blue. So if I do the left side here, and if I follow PEMDAS, right, then I'm actually doing my math, right? So when you do your math, you have to follow PEMDAS. I check the parentheses. They're both different terms, so there's nothing to collect right there. I check the exponents. There's no exponents. I check multiply and divide, and I can see that the 6 multiplies with the 4m and the 8. So that gives me 24m plus 48. And then I check my adding and subtracting. Can I collect like terms here? No. So then that's it. I'm finished with the left side. Okay. Then I'm going to do the right side. Well, guess what? I'm still going to be following the PEMDAS because I'm doing my math, right? So again here. So in this case here, again, I check the parentheses. There's nothing to collect. I check the exponents. There's no exponents anywhere. I do multiply and divide, and I can see that I can multiply the 8m with the 8 with the m and also with the 4. So that gives me 8m minus 32. And then I check to see if I can add or subtract anything there. There's nothing there. So now I'm ready to solve or move things around, right? When you move things around, you've already simplified and everything, and you're ready to solve. That's when you undo. So you're going to follow all the adding and subtracting first, and then the multiplying and dividing. So here I look at them, right? And I can see that I can collect these two m's. So I'm going to transfer this m to the other side. That's doing it by adding and subtracting because I'm adding this 8m right here. So the inverse of adding would be subtracting. So I'm going to subtract the 8m. See, it's gone. It's 0 right there. On this side, it's 16m. So they subtract, right? So I'm going to bring this 48 down. I'm going to bring this negative 32 down. I'm going to collect these two constant terms together. So I'm going to subtract that 48. You're going to cross over here. Subtract it. And then 16m equals, now since they're the same sign here, you're going to have to add them, right? So you have negative 1, so then negative 80. And then finally the last step would be to leave the m by itself, so you have to divide by the 16 so you can end up with a positive m, correct? And that gives you negative 5. And you're pretty much done right there.